Mexc Demo Trading Mobile Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Mexc Demo Trading on mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Mexc, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Mexc, it is a cryptocurrency exchange in which it is recognized for its high-performance trading capabilities and advanced transaction matching technology. And Mexc boasts a trading engine capable of processing 1.4 million transactions per second, ensuring efficiency and high liquidity. And the platform also supports a range of cryptocurrency and trading pairs including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether or USD, catering to a global audience with localized language support. And now to start installing this application, you can simply click the link in the description. And after installing this and signing in, you will be directed on this page right here. And below it will show you some other option that you can start navigating with your own markets, trade, features, and even these wallets. And under this wallet from here, you can start depositing the amount or balances by clicking this deposit button right here, in which by clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page. Then from here, just choose the kind of cryptocurrency you want to deposit. I'm going to choose USDT. And after that, you also need to select a network. We have here TRX, BSC, Toncoin, ETH, and many more. But let's say I'm going to choose this TRX. And from here, it will show us the deposit address that we can copy. Or we can also share this address to other cryptocurrency platform that will help us in order to deposit the amount of TRC20 on our account, such as you can use Binance, MetaMask, and other platform. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And aside from overview, we could also navigate on the top panel, the spot, overview, feature, and fiat. In each kind of section, it will show you the corresponding asset list below, and also the balances. Now moving on to our homepage right here, in which this serves as multiple purposes aimed to enhance user experiences and also facilitate cryptocurrency trading, in which it also provides a comprehensive overview of the platform offerings, including access to a wide range of cryptocurrency and trading pairs. And now to start doing the demo trading, we can now proceed by clicking this More button right here, in which it will show us a variety of offerings with your gift and campaign common function. And under this trade, it will show us this demo trading section. So all you need to do is simply click on it, and upon doing so, we'll automatically be directed in here, and just click this Try Now button. And it will show in here the demo trading, in which from here it will show you the chart of this market and other section in here, including the market trades, info, order book, and many more. And in trading in here, the first thing that you need to do is simply choose what kind of cryptocurrency you want to trade in. We have here BTC to USD, ETH, SOL, and many more. As you can see, I just choose ETH, and it will show us in here the chart of the market prices of ETH to USD. And upon clicking below here, this open and close, we can now start trading by simply enter here under open and market trade the number of quantity we need or we want to trade in here, and just click this open now to proceed. However, you should have completed your KYC verification in order to do so. And to do that, make sure that you're also 21 years old and above to access this demo trading. And aside from that, you could also navigate this trigger order, in which it will allow users to automate their trading strategies based on specific market conditions. So you can enter here the trigger price, and when that price hits or become in the future, we'll automatically order or start the trading. While this limit order, by clicking on it, this order will allow users to set a specific price at which they want to buy or sell a cryptocurrency. So from here, just enter the price, limit, and also the quantity to proceed. And aside from that, below here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see here all of your order, specifically all of your open position, open order, position history, and many more. So that is just basically the demo trading of Mexc application. Going back on this page right here, we could also navigate this earn, support, common function, and any other section in here to proceed. But moving on, going back on this home page right here, we could also navigate below this market section by simply clicking below, in which this option is crucial feature for traders providing real-time updates on the prices of various cryptocurrencies, and this section allows users to view the current market prices, enabling them to make informed trading decisions based on the latest market trends. So you can see here a variety of cryptocurrency prices And you could also save as your favorite. And if you go to your favorite section on the top panel, you'll be able to see here your favorite cryptocurrency. Well, if you click on the search bar on the top panel, you'll be able to see here that you can start entering or find the cryptocurrency that you prefer to trade in. But it will show in here some of the top traders. And if you click on it, it will show you in here all of this data, including the chart, the real-time prices in the market. And from here, we can also start trading by simply buying or selling a Bitcoin or even USDT in here. You'll see here the trade section, info, and also the trading rules. And all of these details will help you to make an informed decision in trading on this platform or also application. Now going back in here, aside from market, you could also navigate here below this trade. To start trading, the first thing that you need to do is to simply deposit by clicking this plus button right here. You can simply click the deposit button in order to have a balances. And you could also click what kind of section we have here: spot, future, and also P2P trading. And now the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies directly on the market, where transactions occur at the current market price. And let's say I'm going to choose here this ETH. Then it will show us in here the market prices list. And to proceed, we can also start clicking buy or sell and just choose what kind of border we have here: limit, market, and many more. And by clicking this limit, we could simply enter here the amount of prices, or basically specifying the price that we are willing to buy or sell at. And when this price has been hit, in the future, we will automatically purchase or buy and start trading on this kind of cryptocurrency. After specifying the prices, just enter here the amount or the quantity you want to trade in. You could use the plus button, or alternatively, you could also simply enter here the amount of quantity you want to trade in. And after that, just proceed by clicking this buy ETH button below to proceed. However, since we don't have any balances, we'll not be able to start trading or buy even this limit order. But if you have a balances, after trading or clicking this buy ETH, you'll be able to see here under open orders the limit order that we just purchased. And you could also do the same process on selling a cryptocurrency on this application. Now moving on, aside from spot trading, we could also navigate here below this futures trading, in which this kind of trading refers to the process of buying and selling cryptocurrency derivative contracts that require the trading parties to complete a transaction of an asset at a fixed date and a rate in the future. So from here, we could also choose what kind of order we have here: limit, market, trigger, and many more. But I'm going to choose limit, and after that, just enter here the amount of prices and also the quantity you want to trade upon hitting the limit prices. So basically in here, in futures trading, user can refer to the platform's comprehensive guides and educational resources which cover topics such as order types, trading modes, and risk management strategies. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Mexc demo trading on mobile. Thank you.